Kept like a fortress, this building is the headquarters of Radio Shabelle. It is here in Mogadishu that Hidayah Abdullahi Sabri comes to work every day. She's only 17, but she already has been a journalist for 2 years. She says her job is her passion.
I decided to become a journalist first because I liked it, and also because I felt the community needed journalists to report on what is happening. I believed that with the crisis that Somalia faces, you need independent journalists who help the people by reporting well on what is happening.
Sabri is one of the voices heard every morning on the radio. At Radio Shabelle, most of the journalists are young adults or even teenagers. Somalia is rebuilding and the media is growing. Journalism is one of the rare sectors that offers job opportunities to young people without a school degree or political connections, says Radio Shabelle founder and director Abdi Oud.
The media won't get better as long as Shabab is here and journalism remains a target and they keep shooting the messengers, which are the eyes and the ears of the people. It can be discouraging. I'm surprised and happy to see that the number of media is increasing. The media schools are increasing and the number of journalists are increasing. Young people are joining. So that brings hope in the future of journalism in Somalia.
A lot of journalists at Radio Shabelle live within the radio's premises, on the roof or dorms where those who are too scared to go back home can sleep. Somalia is one of the most dangerous places in the world for journalists. Last year, at least 18 of them were murdered and 6 this year so far. At Radio Shabelle, these young reporters are conscious of risking their lives. They don't often go to the field, and when they do, it's only with tight security, says reporter Hassan Abdukar.
This is a dangerous job because we can't go anywhere. We can't visit our families. We can't attend any programs because our security is not good. There is no anyone who can promise you that you will come back to this station safe.
But the desire to inform and to acquire professional experience makes them stay. A new measure could, however, exclude these youngsters from the studio. Last month, the Somali government adopted a controversial law that forbids every person under the age of 40 from practicing journalism. Emily Yob and Patricia Huon for VOA News in Mogadishu.